screaming her head off. Like there's a murder. Oh.
A powerful Arctic storm that has covered much of the US since the end of last week has shut down 63 businesses. The most difficult situation has developed in California and its environs, which accounts for half of all the destructions. Most of the businesses are beyond recovery. Rescuers often could not get through calls for more than 24 hours due to 1.5-meter snowdrifts that blocked the streets. Local rescuers warn that the number of victims due to bad weather may increase and the snowdrifts are cleared. According to USA Today newspaper, looters took advantage of the situation. A lot of videos appeared on social networks in which dozens of people breaking doors and breaking windows broke into boarded-up stores, emptied shelves also to zero and hid with full bags. On one of the recordings, the sounds of gunshots are heard. The police arrested several people for robbing stores.